Hi guys, Happy New Year! Welcome to a special episode. I'm Des and this is Sort and Style. Guys, so 2022 is now behind us. 3 years after COVID. I think we all thought that, 2022 was going to be back to normal, but I feel like 2022 was hard. Like for a lot of people and for myself included, it was a hard year. I think a lot of people are feeling tired. A lot of people are struggling still and battling and still trying to get on their feet, and it's hard, and it's really been stressful to hear about people battling. But you know what? It's now 2023, it's a new year. I just hope that for all of you guys, for everyone, that this 2023 brings good things, amazing things. My hope for 2023 is that it brings us all back to a place of normality, or like, even if it doesn't bring normality, what we thought normal was, just starting to see the positives in things and being positive and seeing the light at the end of the tunnel. Let's stay motivated. Let's start to see the silver linings in our lives. Be grateful for things that we didn't think of before. Forgive each other, because it's been a trying 3 years. Everyone's been in the same boat. People haven't been acting how they usually do. So forgive people. Be kind. You don't know what people have gone through. I can't do it. I don't know why I'm crying. Guys, I don't know why I'm crying. Just be kind to people, guys. Days right out. That's it. Guys, and oh my god. Okay, I'm almost done. Okay, got it. Does it look like I've been crying? Guys, and lastly, if I can leave you with one message, is just keep dreaming. Don't give up on your dreams. And never stop believing that your dreams can come true, because only you can make your dreams come true. So do it. Okay, bye. I love you all. Bye.